Why choose Dentco International? If you ever wondered how can I reestablish my credit and stop being denied for everything, you're not alone. In fact, most people thinking about reestablishing their credit wonder about how to go about it and if they can find a company to trust. Here at Dentco International, we strive on providing our clients with excellent service and real results. 85% of our business is customer referred. That says a lot about our company and the relationships we have established with our clients. Not only will fixing your credit get you approved for the things you need, but it can also save you tons of money a year in interest fees. Here at Dentco International, we understand the importance of credit and debt management, and our experienced advisors walk with you hand in hand to assist you with all of your credit repair and debt management affairs. So what are you waiting for? Enter your contact information in the box to the right and receive a free consultation with one of our senior financial consultants. A $399 value, yours free. Or you can give us a call at 1-800-680-5526. We look forward to hearing from you. Don't wait another second to get your life back on track with a company that you can trust. Dentco International. Free consultation available for a limited time only.